Yes.
Hey Kickstarter, we are the founders of Dalgado. We began our journey almost 2 years ago with a goal to give belts a modern makeover, turning them from short-lived functional side products to long-lasting accessories capable of making a style statement. 55 designs later, with hundreds of satisfied customers in 34 countries, we've come a long way to achieving that goal.
Now it's time to take the next step by bringing the age-old style rule to the world of sneakers, matching shoes and belts. You'll never have to worry about finding the perfect belt for your sneakers ever again. After a month of sketching, testing and prototyping, we finally got it right. We found a shoemaker that could live up to our rigorous quality standards and bring our designs to life. It's a small community-oriented workshop located in Portugal, which has been sustainably crafting handmade premium sneakers for many of the top luxury brands for decades. The sneakers follow our minimalist design philosophy to highlight their clean silhouette and let the beautiful leather speak for itself. The branding is muted, as we believe a product should always be a reflection of who you are and not what the brand is. The sneakers are carefully designed for ultimate comfort and durability, guaranteeing a long lifetime. All sneakers come with a second pair of laces, giving you the option to quickly change the look of your sneakers. Our belts are handmade in Germany in a family-owned manufactory which has been honing their craft since the early 1900s. The belts are made of the exact same premium leathers as the sneakers, guaranteeing a perfect match every time. The buckle is the heart piece of any belt. We put our trust in a famous manufactory located near Milan, which creates our buckles of high-quality solid dust, the gold standard for luxury belts.
Our belts and sneakers are expertly handcrafted of the finest materials by passionate artisans, which is why we can confidently offer you a 2-year warranty.
Despite all of that, our leather goods don't cost a fortune. Distributors, middlemen and retailers mark up the price up to 700%. By selling directly to you, we can avoid any unnecessary costs and pass the savings onto you, so you can invest in better products which are made to last. We're not cutting any corners, which is why we have no problem disclosing our pricing structure, so you know exactly what you're getting for your money. To top it all off, we have decided to expand our already existing One Belt, One Tree initiative and pledge to plant 1 tree for every belt or sneaker we sell right here on Kickstarter. Production is ready to go, but we need your help. We can only bring our vision to life with your support. So please, share our campaign and thank you so much for backing us.